Hey guys, today we're going to correct a mistake in the Polish part of the map. This is mod Silesia Rebuild in Poland version 1.5.1. An older version of Silesia Rebuild in Poland version 1.5.0 there was a bug, weird road bug in Czestochowa to Sibir Map. Now in the new version of Silesia Rebuild in Poland version 1.5.1 there is this bug fix should remove this weird road bug in Czestochowa. Now, as you can see, everything is okay, and this bug has been removed with the new version 1.5.1. Road to Athens and RC also have new versions. Links to them can be found below the video. You guys can already do the swapping yourself. If you found my video helpful, leave a message or like, so you don't miss any more mod news. Subscribe. Hey guys, see you next time.